If you have been struggling to utilize YouTube on your Newline panel, you might consider adding another app on your panel. To do this, you go to the Gadgets to find the Newline App Store. Once this has loaded, you're going to click the looking glass and search for Opera. This is a different web browser that you can use that seems to work a little bit better with YouTube. As you can see on this device, it's already been installed. If you need information about the installation process, you can watch a previous video that I will link in the description. But I'm just going to click open. So here is YouTube. Let's just click on a short and funny video to see what happens. And as you can see, there's video and sound immediately. And if I go to a different video, it just continues. So no more of this scroll down, click on the three dots, and tell it to act like a desktop site. With Opera, it just does it. So if you have been having trouble with YouTube, go and find Opera. And then you would want to add that to your quick access icons so that you can utilize YouTube a little bit more easily. Let me know if you have any other questions or suggestions, and thanks so much for watching.